Have you ever wondered if a bar of soap can explode in your microwave?
Well, today, Candace Monticelli is going to find out and explain how it works, just like a thunderstorm. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, we can relate this back to a thunderstorm, and soap actually does explode in the microwave. So we can have some fun today trying this out at home. And if you do it right, you won't make mom and dad mad. So that's the whole key factor here for today's experiment. Here's a list, though, of what you need to get started. First, a plate, a microwave, and a bar of ivory soap. Ivory soap is key here. This is the only soap that this will work with. Ivory soap, it floats in water and it explodes in the microwave. That's because in the manufacturing process of this, there's little tiny air pockets that are whipped into this soap. So the whipping of making this soap puts those tiny air pockets in it and allows us to do this. So watch this. You're seeing this video of what happens when you unwrap the soap and place it in the microwave for a minute or two. It expands and it becomes this large cloud, this just big area of exploded soap when you can blow this up and expand it in the microwave. So what's happening is those tiny little air pockets that are in this bar of soap, they are heated up, and then there's water molecules in there. Those water molecules, they evaporate, and then that air starts to expand and allow the soap to blow up and to become this kind of dried up foam that we see here on the plate. So this is the same sense of how we get popcorn kernels to pop in the microwave and marshmallows to blow up in the microwave as well. Same kind of concept going on. So this happens based on two things. We can showcase two things with it. One is called Charles' law. Charles' law is when temperatures of a gas increase the volume as well. So we're seeing that as the soap expands and blows up when that heat trapped in those tiny little air pockets starts to expand. This also works like thunderstorms, because in thunderstorms, warm air rises and it expands just like how it did here in the soap. But in thunderstorms, in that cool air, it condenses and sinks. That's what makes things unstable to give us those stronger thunderstorms. But that warm air rising is less dense and expanding as we start to build upon those thunderstorms. So this is just a really unique, cool way. Takes 1 or 2 minutes, looks really cool to check out and watch in the microwave. Just the key factor here is ivory soap. If you don't use ivory soap, it'll start smoking and could even damage your microwave, which will not make mom and dad happy. So ivory soap is the key here to try to do this and see if you can have some exploding soap at home. So if you do try this out, send me your pictures on Facebook. I love to see those because there's a couple things that you can learn by doing this.